I want to talk about adding fractions with a concrete example of 12 bricks, which are um, configured in four piles of 3 bricks in each of the pile. If I wanted 1/4 of the bricks, I could just take one of the 4 of the piles, like this, highlighted in magenta. If I wanted 1/3 of the bricks, I could simply take 1/3 one of the rows, since there are 3 equal rows. And so if I wanted, therefore, to get 1/4 plus 1/3 of the bricks, that would be the sum of these two. And as you can see, there would be 7 bricks right there. On the other hand, in fraction notation, adding 1/4 plus 1/3 requires that I get a common denominator between 4 and 3, which is 12. So I can multiply 1 over 4 times 3 over 3. 3 over 3 is just a form of 1. So 1 over 4 becomes 3 over 12. Similarly, I could take 1 over 3 and multiply it by 4 over 4 to get the common denominator of 12. 1 over 3 becomes 4 over 12. And now that the denominators are the same, we could simply add the numerators together, 7 over 12. And so 1 over 4 plus 1 over 3 is 7 over 12, which can be interpreted as the number of parts chosen, number of bricks in this case, 7, divided by the total number of parts or bricks, 12. So a little note here on choosing 12 for the common denominator. So essentially what we did is we translated 1/4 into 3 over 12 and 1/3 into 4 over 12. And in order to find this common denominator, we use a process called finding the least common multiple, LCM, of 3 and 4. And that, by definition, is the smallest number that both 3 and 4 can divide into. You can easily see that 12 satisfies that. If you took any number smaller than 12, for example, if you took 6, 3 would divide into 6 2 times, but 4 doesn't go evenly into 6, and so 6 wouldn't work. 12 is the smaller such number. In terms of getting this number 7, another way to think about this ending up with 7 bricks here is to take 1/4 of the bricks. Of is interpreted as times. We can put a multiply in there. 1/4 of 12 is 3. That's what this is. Plus 1/3 of 12. Again, this is a multiplication. Is 4. That's what this is 7 bricks. In the next video, I want to talk a little bit more about the process for finding the LCM.